Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. As you can see behind me, it is nearly spring. It's the end of February and I've got a lot of grass cutting to do, a lot of grass cutting planned for the spring and summer. The only problem is that I have got a flat tire on the lawn tractor and that has to be repaired before I start. It is a very slow puncture. It takes about two days to go flat. So anyway, I'm going to try and fix it and let's go and have a look at it. Okay, so that's what the tire looks like. There's only three places where there can be a puncture. First of all, it is obviously somewhere on this surface over here, or it could be leaking through there, or it could be leaking through the valve. Yesterday I pumped the tire up and as you can see it's already gone flat again. So I'm going to jack the tractor up, and this is where I've put the jack. It's got the frame over here. So let me start jacking it up. These covers come off really easy. You just got to force it off. So as you can see, there's a little circlip over there, and you can either use like a small screwdriver or something like this to prise it off. Anyway, I'm going to carry on taking off the little washers. So now I have a container. I put the tire in there and I'm filling it up with water. And right over there we can see exactly where it's leaking. This is the tire repair kit that I got off Amazon. It cost a little over 12 euros. It was on special. We have the instruction manual. We have 3 lots of rubber strips. This is a tool that you use to actually make the initial hole into the tire. This tool over here fits onto the handle after you take this out, and it's to clean out the hole. It's like a little file. And then we have this one here, which is like a needle. The rubber strip gets inserted in there and then pulled out again. That is a spare one. This little tool here, which is to do with the valve, which I won't be using today. I have a little blade and Allen key. I'm now going to try and isolate the hole. See exactly where it is. Try and block it off with a nail. So this is the first tool I'm going to use. You can see it's still bubbling there a little bit. It's gone right through the rubber. And I will put the file in and then retighten it. And then I'm going to clean that hole out. Now I'm going to peel off one of the rubber strips. It's actually very sticky. And put it into the end of the needle. About halfway. So once the rubber strip is in the needle, you use considerable force and you press it all the way in. When it's in, pull it out straight. I couldn't understand why my tyre went down again, and I checked and I've got another 2 punctures, which I'm going to go fix right now. Push it all the way in. And when it gets... So now the 3 punches have been fixed on the tyre, and I've got exactly 1 minute left on the memory stick on my camera, so I've got to work very quickly so I can finish it. 2 washers go back. And then the circlip. And then finally that. So thanks everyone for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video.